Kenneth, you're the Managing Director of the aftermarket sales here at WFL. Now, how important is aftermarket sales to your over 2,000 machines in the field worldwide?
Well, it's extremely important that the machines are up and running all the time, and if there is a problem with the machine, we need to be there, react as quickly as possible, to have qualified people and have spare parts so the machine has the lowest possible still stand. That's our objective.
Now, as I understand that most of your machines are very application-led, there's not many machines that come off exactly the same for everybody's customers' needs. Is that why retrofitting to a certain extent is another option that you haven't offered in the portfolio in the past?
I think we have offered also retrofitting in the past, but more reactive. Now we have a proactive approach, and we want to be the consultant discussing with the company how can we help him to reach his goals, and sometimes retrofit, retrofitting of a tool or automation or a software could be the solution to his problem.
Because your machines are very well built, there is some machines that have been out there a number of years, and I presume that your customer or their customer is very much changing the angle of how certain parts are actually made. So the retrofitting side is an adaptation to that machine to keep that spindle turning.
Yeah, that's correct. And yes, you're right, the life of a WFL is very long and things happen over time. We also develop new solutions, we can add new options to the machine, and by doing that the customer is up to the highest level of performance all the time, and that is the approach that we have to do this in a more proactive way that we have done so far.
So over and above the aftermarket side and the retrofitting, you've got the tooling capabilities. Could you talk me through what tooling you offer for your customers' needs?
Yeah, okay, we don't talk about standard tooling. We develop and implement tooling solutions that are specific for our mill turn machines. So these tools only fit on the mill turns. They're optimized to do the best possible jobs. It could be to optimize productivity, to increase the quality, but it could also be to do some things that are impossible to do with what is available on the market.
So are you saying that it's very much turnkey projects that you're working with on the tooling side?
Turnkey is what we do all the time, and definitely we get opportunities to work on things with customers. We most often get the drawing, with a complicated part, and then we should try to solve this in as few setups as possible, all about the complete machining concept.
So for any engineers worldwide that may have a WFL machine or considering a WFL machine, what message would you put to them from this conversation?
Yeah, I mean, we are the leaders in complete machining. We are sure that we have this position today, and we intend to keep this position. Now with adding a lot of services and support also after the customers have purchased the machine, I mean the machine will become even more valuable. And in order to enable this, we are increasing competence and capacity within aftermarket sales.
I think with the number of different things that you can actually offer at WFL, having the aftermarket side and also the turnkey tooling solutions, it must benefit each customer.
Yes, it does. And I mean, people talk today about being a solution provider. We have been the solution provider for complete machining for 25 years. Now we're going beyond that and becoming a system supplier, supplying also automation, digital products, and even tooling and measuring systems on the machine that we show here on display, manufacturing rotors, So we are taking complete machining now to the next level.